How to go live on TikTok without having 1000 followers. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to go live on TikTok without having 1000 followers. First thing you're gonna do is open your TikTok application. Now go to your profile, tap on those three buttons up there. Tap on setting and privacy. Now you have a lot of options. Tap on report a problem. You see that there is a lot of problems people asking. Now I can't start a live. And is your problem resolved? No. Need more help? You're gonna tap hi. I could go live in the past, but I can't anymore. My fans would love to see me live. Thank you. Thanks. Okay, and tap on report. And 2 days from now you can go live. And this is it. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like.